I'm Jabir from 11th grade in Sanakomiya Girls Secondary School.
And I am Ru'a Azam.
Today we are gonna make a sweet recipe together.
You know, it's my favorite.
Yes, me too. So, let's go! Three cups of milk, 1 can of cream, 1 packet of vanilla whipped mix, 1 packet of chocolate whipped mix, 1 cup of Nescafe, 2 packets of biscuits. And for decoration, we'll need some sprinkles. Firstly, we'll put half the quantity of milk, cream, and a full packet of whipped mix. Then, the same operation will be done with After that, we'll sort the layers in the Pyrex.